Tapasan Gupta joining us from the very venue where the Prime Minister's rally will be today in Malda. Tapas, a very good morning to you. Let us understand one thing. Malda, when we speak of, is quite a debatable seat. When we say debatable, it's highly contentious. There are a lot of controversies we've seen grip this very region, with the Prime Minister coming in Malda today to, in fact, lay the foundation for several developmental projects. What is the pulse of the ground? What does it seem like? What do people have to say?
Well, see, Shreya, first of all, Malda is known to be the corridor to North Bengal and further to the northeastern states. And Malda is the place which have been chosen by the Prime Minister to come here and inaugurate the much-awaited Howrah-Kamakhya sleeper class Vande Bharat. This was a long time commitment by the central government, and finally PM will be flagging off this afternoon where the Vande Bharat will leave from Malda station and reach Howrah. But from there on, after flagging off, he will be coming here at this very venue where we are standing right now at 2:30 p.m. and this is going to be a political rally of the PM. The stage is all set at the moment in one hand. On the other, it's almost around 3.5 hours to go. But despite that, you can see large number of people turn out could be witnessed here in Malda, where we are right now. You can see children, you can see people from different ages have come here just to hear Prime Minister Narendra Modi. And this venue, there are two hangars which have been made, and both the hangars are slowly and steadily filling up. I would like to go across to some of them. ये बताइए आप कहाँ से आ रहे हैं, आपका नाम क्या है?
मेरा नाम बापन दास है, मैं मालदा से हूँ।
आप लोग यहाँ आज प्रधानमंत्री आ रहे हैं तो क्या सुनना चाहते हैं उनसे, क्या उम्मीद रखते हैं?
हम बंगाल के लिए कुछ अच्छा सुनना चाहते हैं। बंगाल में परिवर्तन चाहिए, बंगाल को हमारा पुराना गौरव लुटाना चाहिए।
अच्छा, आप कहाँ से आ रहे हैं?
मालदा से ही होगा हम लोग। हाँ,
क्या सुनना चाहते हैं?
पॉजिटिव कुछ जो बांग्ला के लिए अच्छा होगा।
मैं देखिए यहाँ पे एक छोटा बच्चा ये देखिए, see this little child have also come along with his father. I would like to go across to his father. आप लोग कहाँ से आ रहे हैं?
हम मालदा बागबाड़ी से आ रहे हैं।
बागबाड़ी से आ रहे हैं। क्या सुनना चाहते हैं प्रधानमंत्री?
प्रधानमंत्री से सुनना चाहते हैं देश के लिए अच्छा करे।
इस बार मालदा में बीजेपी का प्रदर्शन कैसा रहेगा?
100% आएगा, 100% आएगा।
Well, see, that's the reaction. The BJP supporters who have come in large number are hopeful that they will perform to the best of the abilities in the upcoming assembly election. And remember, Malda once was a Congress bastion. Later on, the assemblies are under Trinamool Congress. But as far as North Bengal is concerned, it has always remained a very strong bastion for BJP. But in last Lok Sabha election, we had seen there are few seats that have gone from BJP to Trinamool Congress. So keeping that in mind, be it the Trinamool Congress, be it the BJP, everybody is keeping in focus the North Bengal. That's what may decide the fate of West Bengal Assembly in 2026. So keeping that in mind, this political rally of Prime Minister is of immense importance. That's
very true, Taposh. Malda is a very important seat when we speak, or rather a battleground for both the BJP and the TMC. And people really seem to be keen on hearing what exactly does the BJP has to offer at this point of time. With that, viewers, those are the latest details on the very rally that will take place later in the day. But